What is going on, y'all? Christian here, back with another cold email teardown video. And in this video, I'm going to be writing scripts for the infamous e-com email marketing offer. The offer you've seen pitched 1,000 times. Everyone has an e-commerce email marketing agency. The offer's saturated. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get around the saturation, invent new market trends with your offer, and pitch a proprietary offer that your prospects have never seen before. Without further ado, let's get into it so you can see what the hell I'm talking about. Let's do it. So, hey, as the founder of company name, I'm sure customer feedback, let's make myself smaller here, is a huge priority for you. We can interview 100 of your customers, compile their top responses, and compile the most common feedback and use that language in your email marketing flows. You're guaranteed to see a 15% increase in sales, or you don't pay. Mind if I share a quick video explaining further, right? So what does this do? You're circumventing the classic 15% boost from your email list, the same thing that everyone's pitching nonstop, and you're inventing a new offer in the marketplace that the e-commerce brand owners are not getting pitched nonstop, right? I guarantee you almost no brand owner has been pitched customer interviews to add that interview feedback to your copy. I guarantee you nobody has seen or heard of that over cold email. Different ways you can test it, right? So let's just do a different angle. Hey, I'll cut the BS and get right to it. We can boost your email sales by 15% in the next 30 days by interviewing 100 of your customers, gathering the most popular feedback about your products, and adding that language to your email flows. Or actually, let's do with our customer interview process. Let's just break up the line a little bit, because my cardinal rule is your hook should not be too long, and that is too long of a hook on its own. We have to split it up into 2 lines, right? We'll interview 100 of your customers, gather the most popular feedback about your products, and add that language to your email flows. The interviews we did for XYZ help them hit a record month in sales. Mind if I share a video explaining how we can do the same for you. Let's do one more. That's like a 1-sentence cold email. Hey, we can interview 100 of your best customers, compile the most common feedback into your email campaigns, and boost your sales by 20%, guaranteed, or you don't pay. Open to learning more. Why does this work, or why could this work? Once again, guys, disclaimer, this is a hypothesis. I've never tested this as an angle before in a cold email campaign. I'm doing it live on video. So don't quote me as saying, oh, Christian said this was going to work and it completely flopped. It could flop for all I know. I don't know. But this is the thought process I have when I test saturated offers in the marketplace. I test all kinds of new offer angles to the point where I'm literally inventing new aspects of a service for a cold email campaign. And if you're like, Christian, why would you ever do that? How do I fulfill that? If you can get leads pitching something that you've never fulfilled before, pitch it and figure out how to fulfill it once you get the leads, right? People are all like, oh, that's not part of my service delivery. I can't do that. If the market wants to buy it, figure out how to sell it to them. Figure out the back-end systems that will help you fulfill on the promise you're making so you collect money. Would you rather learn a new way of doing your service or not get any deals at all? I think the answer is obvious, right? So that's pretty much the rant that I'm going over with you guys, is you want to invent new aspects of your offer. Sit down, map out every single part of your offer that you do, customer interviews, Reddit research, email flow optimization, copywriting, design, deliverability, anything in the world about email marketing, and test it in your cold emails. Email 2 as a follow-up. We can interview your top 100 customers and compile their most common feedback for a for email marketing campaign. You're guaranteed a 20% boost in sales, or you don't pay. Mind if I share a video explaining how our interview process works? Of course I would like a video. Let me hear this. I've never heard this before. Test and iterate any aspect of your offer that you possibly can. Invent new aspects of your service to pitch over cold email, and be so differentiated from other people that you create a new market trend and you hop on the top of the wave of a market trend. Somebody has to invent a new trend in email marketing, in SEO, and web design. It might as well be you. Cold email is the best way to do it. Hopefully this makes sense. If you enjoyed this video and you want some cold emails written just like this for your offer, click the link in the description to book a one-on-one consulting call with me. I'll fire up a Google Doc just like this. I'll talk to you just like this on a Zoom call, and I will write you a 5-step email sequence, all for one flat fee, and I guarantee you that you get a return on your investment on the call, because you will book at least one sales call with my scripts. More than likely, you're going to book dozens, tens and dozens of sales calls. That is a video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Drop a like, drop a subscribe if you're new. Peace.